Have you ever wondered how cells in our body communicate to each other? You know that cells communicate through their own language of chemical signal. In our body, we have chemical signals such as neurotransmitter, hormone and growth factor that act like a messenger telling a cell about its environment or telling a cell to respond. For example, when we just had our meal, an organ called pancreas could detect this, even though the pancreas is not directly in contact with food. This is because pancreas receives the message from small intestine. Cells lining the small intestine release a chemical signal or hormone known as cholecystokinin. This hormone release is stimulated by the presence of food inside the small intestine. Cholecystokinin is rapidly released into circulation and it goes to brain and pancreas. In the pancreas, cholecystokinin tells the pancreas cell to release digestive enzymes. Those enzymes are important for the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat inside our meal. At the same time, cholecystokinin will tell the brain cells to suppress the feeling of hunger. Well, do you know how cells receive all those signals? Just like us, we need ears and mouths to have conversation. Cells require receptor protein. This receptor protein could be located either inside the cells or on the outer part of the cell wall. Once chemical binds to this receptor, a cascade of reaction will occur inside the cells and eventually would lead to cells response. This is only a simplified explanation. Cellular communication is far more complicated. One cell could have hundreds of receptors and one cell could receive hundreds of signals simultaneously. Cells is unique. Even though they receive hundreds of signals simultaneously, they could summarize all those signals into one response. Cell does not only respond, they also receive the signal and transfer the signal to cells near them or far from them. The example that I gave just now is only between brain, pancreas and small intestine. We have about 79 organs in our body. Can you imagine how many cell-to-cell communication we have inside our body? This shows how unique is God's creation.